What's up YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. I'm going to do a quick review on the Bosch QuitCast disc rotors that I purchased from Amazon. I didn't get these on a lightning deal, but it was kind of a lightning deal-esque purchase. They were on sale and had some great reviews, so I purchased these, and I have an earlier video of me putting these rotors on. Just some high points. They were super easy to put on, fit like a glove. What I really like about them is they're kind of anti-corrosion. They have not started to rust, or they won't rust, which I really like. I don't like to just sit there and look at a nasty rotor. I say that like I'm just staring at my car rotors all the time, but I'm really not. But they came wrapped in this nice package. They were boxed. They were boxed nicely. I kind of beat up this box, but as far as stopping power, they're great. No screeching, no problems, and they were a lot better than the other brake that I took off, which was warped, or the rotor, excuse me, which was warped. So kind of a nice upgrade. So feel free to ask questions, like, subscribe, and I'll put a link in the comments to this certain one on Amazon. Oh, also keep in mind, these come in a one-piece set, so don't be confused. There's not two in this, there's one. All right, see you next time.